has been a project that has been gaining some attention. Here it is review. I've been looking at this and I was interested in its functionality, so I have set it up and running now with this ESP32S3 and 16R8. It's a basic chip. I have it running. There were some issues setting it up. I wish there was better documentation, but it will do. So this is not really a walkthrough video, or it's more of a first look or like a review video. So when I first set it up, I originally came to this. Here, as you can see, there are some APIs. They aren't really that much interesting. Then I found this that to actually access the dashboard, you have to come to this UI/index.html. Then here, as you can see, it is connected with my ESP32 and it is healthy. There is inference and there are features. You can select or deselect them as you like. Interesting dashboard. Most of the stuff here is just like a POC, a proof of concept, not really much of live data transmission. I guess you can load some Ruvio model from Hugging Face and train it. I haven't really trained a model. Anyhow, there are these different documentation and different POC stuff is detecting correctly. There are just two people here. Here you can train the model on your recording. Actually, you can record the CSI data coming from this ESP and you can start training your models on this data. Once they get trained, you can use them live. And here is the observatory. You can just shift to CSI here. Once you have the data trained up, then I guess it will work. This is one of the troubleshoot that I originally faced. So here, as you can see, this is running in demo mode. To it running on live mode, you have to come to this data and turn this to live WebSocket, and then you can just paste this string localhost 3000 WS sensing, and once you paste that and hit enter, here I have set it up to live mode. It is detecting one person. This room is simulated, the blue waves are simulated. I don't know why it's so slow. You have to restart it so it gets the latest data. The dashboard updates live. So as you can see, there are two people right now in the room, and well, we are not parking, so I guess it does need some improvement. It's a really interesting idea, but the implementation is not that much. It feels like a poorly vibe coded project. So it is mostly written in Rust. I actually had some issues troubleshooting it. Comment down below tutorial and I will make a video on that. Anyhow, as you can see, I have this ESP, and next up, I originally brought this to do some wireless pen testing and stuff. So I will be flashing it with Marauder. Marauder is basically the Swiss army knife of wireless hacking. Actually, a customized version of Marauder, a screen with some buttons. So I was thinking if maybe I can improve it and connect instead of a screen, I can actually see the dashboard on my phone. That would look good. So if you want see Marauder OS, or if you have any questions, feel free to DM or connect. With that said, take care. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.